time for a science. So what I have here is a little section of the Therma-a-rest Z Lite. I think it's called Z Lite sleeping pad, and I'm just kind of wondering, if this gets wet, how much water will it actually retain? Because hey, who knows, it could be strapped on your pack. Like I see a lot of these TV shows, you know, they have it strapped under their pack, they have it strapped to the side of their pack, and I'm like, hey, if it gets wet from the rain or them crossing a river or whatever, you know, how wet is this going to be when they're, you know, trying to sleep on it? You know, is it going to dry out? Or is it just going to roll off? We'll find out. All right, so I got my 5-gallon bucket and put it in there, and then let's soak it, and then let it soak for a little bit. Oh no, it's raining. Gosh, it is raining. Whatever shall we do? Let's flip it around. Is it going to retain? So I'm just slowly soaking it this way. But I did notice it droops a little this way, but it's not drooping that way. And it is kind of floating. See? Yeah, bucket's getting fuller, but this thing keeps just, you know, floating up. That's just kind of, yeah, thinking, because it'd be just terrible to have this thing, you know, sopping wet, or, you know, you squish it and water pumps out of it, and then, you know, you're trying to put your sleeping bag on it. That would just be, you know, miserable. So I just want to see how much it retains. Well, it might be retaining some water now, because you see it's bending this way, and well, it was bending that way. See, there it goes. Just need a little pushover. Okay, let's give it a good soaking now. See if it'll stay in there like that. Doesn't look like it. Maybe let's just hold it down for a little while. I might be going, hey, why'd you cut up a Z Lite? Those things are expensive. Yeah, they are. And I did because I wanted to, for some other experiments. So, okay, there it is. Let's see how much water it retained. I'll just step on it, I guess. Put my shoes back on, it's hot. Yeah, not very much. Shaking it off now, getting a little sprinkle, but as you can see, a lot of that, you know, it's not very much on the ground there, and I guess a lot of that was just from, you know, droplets that were left over on here. Surprisingly, it doesn't seem like it retained that much. I'm going to lay on it now, see if it squishes into my back. I got this. All right, well, here I am. I don't feel moisture on my back, but I do feel the sun on my face. All right, let's get up. All right. Yeah, back feels dry. And yeah, this doesn't feel wet at all. I guess when it comes at least to the Z Lite by Therma-a-rest, it doesn't retain much water at all. So the only thing you have to worry too much about getting wet. So hey, I guess it's okay to strap to the outside of your pack if you want. I don't know if it might get caught in a thorn and maybe one of these like got punctured, would water seep in? Maybe, I don't know. And then get squished out when you lay on it, maybe, I don't know. But so yeah, as long as you're not running into the thorns and jagged rocks, I think it'd be okay to strap this on the outside of your pack. I think I'm still more comfortable with it on the inside, but hey, if you have no other option but to go outside, well then you should be okay. I can't speak the same for other brands like the I think it's the Ozark. Is it the Ozark Trails or something? They got one from Walmart that's orange, a little bit thicker, a little bit wider. Can't speak for that. That's a pretty popular one, but for this Therma-a-rest Z Lite, hey, pretty good. Anyway, I'm gonna get outside, do a science, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.